Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Sabrina Haq, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student on the based on your oral sheet, which one you get in your Google Drive link with your suggestion. Dear students, let's start for our today's topic. The first question of your oral sheet is, what is airborne disease? The answer is, the disease caused by germ and transmitted through the air due to coughing, sneezing or talking are called airborne disease. Example, chickenpox, influenza, swine flu, etc. Second question is, what is AIDS? The answer is, AIDS is a different kind of infectious disease which is caused by HIV virus. Now question number 3 is, what is internet? The answer is, the internet is a huge network of computers together all over the world. The question 4 is, the name 3 major search engine used in Bangladesh. Then answer is, name of 3 major search engines used in Bangladesh. First one Google, second one Yahoo, and third one Pipilika. Then question number 5 is, give 3 examples of information technology. The answer is, 3 examples of information technology are, first one internet, second one computer, and third one mobile phone. The question number 6 is, what is global warming? The answer is, the gradual increase of Earth's temperature is called global warming. The question number 7 is, what are the factors that measures weather change in a particular region? The answer is, to measure the weather change of a particular region, of following issues are observed. First one temperature, second one amount of rainfall, and third one frequency of kalboshaki or tornado. The question 8 is, what does greenhouse mean? The answer is, greenhouse is a house made up of glass. It traps the sun's heat and helps keep plants warm and alive in extreme cold weather. Now question number 9 is, what do you understand by climate? The answer is, climate is the average weather pattern for a long period of time. The question 10 is, what is greenhouse gases? What are the greenhouse gases? The answer is, the greenhouse gases are, first one water vapor and second one carbon dioxide. And question 11 is, what is called climate change? Then answer is, a significant and persistent change in the climate and its variability is called climate change. Question number 12 is, what needs will increase due to population growth? The answer is, the need for food, clothing, housing and land will increase due to population growth. Question 13. Give 3 examples of negative impacts of population growth on the environment. The answer is, 3 examples of negative effect of population growth are, first one deforestation, second one water pollution, and third one air pollution. This is come to the next question. Next question is question number 14. How does science and technology contribute to produce more food? The answer is, science and technology contribute to produce more food by using agricultural machinery that helps people grow a lot of food in the shortest time period. Question 15 is, nowadays which are used for energy production? The answer is, the solar and atomic energy are used for energy production. Question 16 is, what do you mean by population? Answer is, the population consists of people of a particular country of all about young, infant and old men and women. Now question number 17. What is population density? Answer is, the number of people per square kilometer land area is called the population density. Now question 18. What is deforestation? The answer, deforestation is the clearing of forest by cutting down trees. Question number 19. What effects is seen on natural resources due to population growth? The answer is, as population growth, pressure on natural resources is seen. Our natural resources are finishing very quickly due to large need. And last question is, why biotechnology is used? The answer is, biotechnology is used to grow plants that are more nutritious, disease resistant and more productive. Dear students, this is your homework number 21. This is your homework number 21, and you have to write oral sheets question answer from 1 to 6 answer on your homework copy, and you have to submit on Sunday. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Keep practicing, learn all the question answer whatever I have given on the online classes, and do all your SW regularly, submit it regularly, because you will get your city diary and SBA mark on the basis on your performance of SW. So dear students, stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.